my channel, and from now on we are going to do coding in Scratch. So first, only search here Scratch or search scratch.mit.edu. You can also search and only search Scratch. Oh, mine, wait, yeah, Scratch. So as you can see, this page will open. Now you have to click on Scratch Imagine Program and Share. Click on that. Now I have already logged in with my account, so when you click on that link, you are going to see this page like this. Okay, so to create your ID in Scratch, you have to click on Join Scratch or here this one, Join or Join Scratch. So click on Join Scratch. Now it will ask you for a username. So like I can type here Neo underscore hashtag 1, and I think okay, it can only use, so it's good. Yeah, see, it is saying that username taken. So you have to try and take a unique username that no one has taken. So I am going to use Neo underscore 1 is good. Yeah, that's good. You can create your own username, not like mine. I am just seeing you. Okay, so now it will ask you create a password for your account. You can type anything, like I am not doing it. Like, let me do it first, then I can only show you. So as you can see, no, wait, this is not my password. I write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, now click on next. You'll have to select country. You can choose your country and then click on next. I am not showing you now. So when you have done that, like I am also just wait. Okay, just wait. So if you have not subscribed yet, just go and hit the subscribe button and click on bell for more notifications. Let's go. Now click on next. It will ask you for a month and year. Type as January. Where is it? Yep. Yeah, it will ask you gender and then email address, and then it will create your account. So I'm not doing that. I'm creating another account. So let me just log into my previous account. So if you want to log in, you can just click on sign in and here your username, this is mine, and the password, just wait. So sign in. Yeah, so when you sign in, it will look like this, or it will open a new project for you. So now what we should make, so from beginning, so it's a beginner program I want to make. First, let's make a normal simple program. Okay, you can click on create. Okay, click on create. It will create a new program for you, project for you. It is loading. As you can see, creating project, loading sprites. Yeah, so here is your Scratch. This window here is for the blocks. This is the blocks window. This is the costumes window where you can change the costumes. Like if here I draw a line above it, that costume will also change. Okay, so now this is the sounds window. Here you can choose sound like meow. Yeah, so let's go to code. And now if you want this sprite, you can use it. I'm going to use this one because it's a beginner program. So this is the playground where you can do anything, like drag this hair. As you can see, I'm dragging. So I'm going to drag the sprite hair. These are called sprites. As you can see, sprite 1, or you can change their name. So I'm going to type here cat. You can, from here you can change the size. The size is 100. I'm going to keep the 100. Here direction, that in which direction it should look. So like 0 will be up, 180 will be down, and as you can see, -90 will be left, like all. So I'm going to just keep 90. So this is the backdrops. It is the stage. So here you can choose backdrops from here. Click on choose a backdrop, or you can also choose from here. Choose a backdrop. So now what we are going to do is first choose a background. So I'm going to choose a background. Let me choose. So yeah, so where is it? I will choose the buildings background. Let me search it. Buildings, no. That's a good background for what I am going to do here. Outdoors, yeah, I think outdoors it will come. So let me just do. You can choose any background, not mine. I don't know why it's coming. Oh, it's always like that. Anyways, we can choose this blue sky. It's good. Now get a sprite also, like building. Yeah, building will be good. Yeah, buildings. So there are also costumes for that. I'm going to choose this. You can choose yours. I'm choosing mine. Yeah, this one will be good. Or you can choose any. So as we have get this sprite, what we have to do is that we have to make its size bigger. So it's small, it's only the same size as the cat. So now we are going to see the size like 300. Oh, it's very big. So 200. Let's check. Yeah, we can put like this. Okay. Or small. Yeah. So now we are going to code for this cat. The cat code. So now these are the blocks, as you can see: variables, my block, variables, operators for the maths or like maths, and the sensing that it senses something like color is touching this, or the space key pressed. Control like if, else, or repeat, or create, clone, or stop something, or these are events. And the sounds and how the sprite should look, the effects, the backdrop, the costume. Motion means it's a motion block, like it will move the sprite or change the direction and point it in the direction. So now we are going to make that when the green flag is clicked, means that when we click this flag something should happen. So take this, when green flag clicked, we want this sprite to go here. So as you can see, these are the coordinates: 185 minus 120. As I move the sprite, see, they are changing. 33, these, and you can also see here. As you can see, this is the position of my mouse. As I change the position of my mouse, these coordinates also change. So this is the X and the Y. So I am putting it here. Yeah. So when the green flag is clicked, we want our sprite to be here. So what is the coordinates? 29 and minus 122. So go to the motion tab. Now pick a block, glide. See, glide 1 second. Now we will again put here. So as you can see, that glide 1 second. So the less these seconds are, the faster the cat will move. So when we click this, it will see glide or walk, you can say. See, it is walking. So we also want to say that when the user open this program, the cat should only be here, not anywhere. So we want our cat to be minus 184. So go to, now we have to choose go to, because glide is for gliding and go to is just quickly go there. Let me show you. Now it will always go there. It will always start from here. And now if this here, again till the green flag, it will go there. Again, see, yeah. So when it reaches there, we want to make it go up, or you can also make that sound meow. Okay, so glide 1 second and sounds, play sound meow here, meow. So see what it will say. See, want our cat to go up here. So what is the position? What is the position? Let me check. This one. So go to the motion blocks. It will automatically change in the blocks. So pick it. Sorry, not go to the glide one. Glide. Now our cat will glide here. So now again we are going to take the sound block. Play sound meow until done. Now we have done it. Now we want our sprite. The cat to be here on the building. Again go to motion. Glide 1 second. Glide 1 second to the coordinates and play the sound meow. Now let's see how our project looks. See, it is moving. Now we also want our sprite to look like it's walking. Okay. So as you can see in the costumes, there are two costumes. Costume 1 and costume 2. See, they look like that the cat is walking. So what you want to do is that in the events, go to the events, or you can also put the block here. But I am taking another one to help you get more completely in your brain, to help you more. So now go to controls. We are going to use the forever block, which is a loop that do something forever. It doesn't stop. Okay. So forever, we are going to looks. So we can change the costume. Looks, switch costume to costume 2. But this will not gonna work. So it will always change the costume to costume 2, not the one. So we are going to change the next costume. Yeah. Now, if we put like this, it will change costume so far that we will not see. Like, let me do it. See, it is doing like that. So we want it to do like normally walk. So go to controls and take this wait 1 seconds block. You can see the seconds that. So I am going to take 0.25 will be good. Yeah. So let's see now. See. Or we can choose 0.5. It will be faster. No, it will be slower. Yeah, it will be slower. Yeah, so that's look good. So our first project is created. Now you can change the title of that, like walking cat. It's your choice. Now, so when you have done your project, don't leave the website or quit your web browser. First, click on the save now. Otherwise, it will not save and all your progress will be lost. So click on save now. It will be saved. And if you want to see your project, just go to here, click on the folder button. There, click on it. It will show you all the projects, shared projects, unshared projects, or the studios that you have created. So this is our project walking cat. Click on that. It's opening. So now when we click on the green flag here or here, it will play our project. See? Yeah. So this is your that how will your project look. So here you can type instructions that click on green flag and relax. Click on green flag, sit behind, press it and relax. These are the instructions, because we are not doing anything like pressing the space key, the arrow keys or nothing. So here you can type the notes and credits, that who created it, or notes that how you got the idea, or credits that who helped you in making it. So I can only type that all the credits to me. And also you can also type the name, like @ your ID. Okay, here your username. NEO_CODEER and _1. So it is created. And now when you have done that, if you want to share the project on the full website, just click on share. It will get shared. I am not sharing it, and if your project gets too popular, like if you get too many hearts, too many stars, too many remixes, and like how many people saw your project. So it will be on the front page of the website. So I am not sharing it, you can share. So let me show you that what is the front page. If your project is very good and all the people love it, it will come on the featured projects, that Scratch website feature. Look, there are so many good projects here. You can, like, there are games, stories, music, like it's all full of animations, anything. It will, okay, so these are the good projects. And here you can see featured studios. Here you can see the studios which are very good, all the people love them. Here you can see, yeah, these are something else. These are the projects that the person you are following. And the design studio, yeah, these are not for you. Yeah, so that's all for this video. But I also want to show you my studio. I will put the link in the description, so you can join here. And there are so many people in this, okay? So you can see their projects, like this one is made from Sravs, and this one is mine. This one is also again Sravs, this mine, and this for Sravs and Srav. And so many people are there. And you can also post your project. Just click on, you can add by URL also, or you can click on browse projects and your projects will come here. So that's all for this video. And yeah, I forgot that if you don't want to click on my link for the studio and you just want to see that where is it, you can go to Scratch or search from here Ultimate Coders. Now click enter. It will load. Now you have to click on studios. Click on studios. Now scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the golden one. Okay, all these are not mine, these are for someone else. And this is mine. Click on that. Here option will come that follow studio. Click on it. So it is my studio. And here are comments. You can comment also your comment that what I should make, and curators, mine, and I can also invite you. You can give me your username. And here in the projects, you can see my all the projects that I have made. And I am still working on, like, glitch game I am working. And where is it? Yeah, car racing game, and the Space War, and this car racing game. You can see load more. Yeah, this one was a challenge and I accepted it and made it. It was a challenge from RPIF Foundation. Okay, it's nothing, but I just accepted the challenge and made a project like that. So that's all for this video. Bye bye. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell and notification button.